Meet the tarantula, one of the largest and most intriguing spiders on the planet. Known for their hairy bodies, massive size, and unique behaviors, tarantulas have captured the fascination of scientists and spider enthusiasts alike. But how much do we really know about these eight-legged giants? In this video, we're diving into the world of tarantulas to uncover what makes them such extraordinary creatures. Tarantulas belong to a group of spiders known as theraphosid, with over 1,000 species spread across the world. From the jungles of South America to the deserts of Africa and the forests of North America, tarantulas are found in a wide range of habitats. Despite their fearsome appearance, tarantulas are not as dangerous as people often believe. In fact, while they are venomous, their venom is generally no more harmful to humans than a bee sting. Most tarantulas prefer to avoid confrontation altogether, relying on their impressive size and hair-covered bodies to ward off potential threats. Let's take a closer look at what makes a tarantula tick, literally. Like all spiders, tarantulas have 8 legs, but it's their large fangs and hairy bodies that really set them apart. Those hairs aren't just for show, they're actually a defensive weapon. Tarantulas can flick these urticating hairs at predators, causing irritation and discomfort. In fact, the hairs are so irritating that many predators will think twice before attacking a tarantula. And those fangs? They're strong enough to pierce the exoskeletons of their prey, delivering venom that immobilizes their meal. Tarantulas are ambush predators, meaning they wait patiently for prey to wander close before pouncing. They feed primarily on insects, but larger tarantulas have been known to take down frogs, lizards, and even small birds. Once they capture their prey, tarantulas inject venom to paralyze it, then release digestive enzymes to break down the insides into a liquid meal. Yes, you heard that right. Tarantulas don't chew their food. They turn it into a spider smoothie and slurp it up. Many tarantulas live in burrows, which they either dig themselves or take over from other animals. These underground homes provide shelter from extreme weather and protection from predators. Tarantulas will line their burrows with silk, making the entrance sticky to trap unsuspecting prey. Unlike most spiders, tarantulas don't use webs to catch their prey. Instead, they rely on their keen senses and powerful legs to overpower their food. But their silk is still useful. It helps reinforce their burrows and gives them early warning of approaching threats. When it comes to finding a mate, male tarantulas have a tough job. After reaching maturity, males set out in search of a female, often traveling long distances. They communicate using a unique drumming behavior, tapping their legs on the ground to signal their presence. But mating is risky business. If the female is not in the mood, the male could end up as dinner. However, if successful, the female will lay hundreds of eggs, carefully wrapping them in silk to protect the next generation of tarantulas. These egg sacs can contain anywhere from 50 to 2,000 eggs, depending on the species. Once the spiderlings hatch, they remain with their mother for a short time before venturing out on their own. While tarantulas are formidable hunters, they're not without their own enemies. Birds, snakes, and even certain species of wasps, like the tarantula hawk, prey on these spiders. Tarantula hawks are particularly dangerous. These wasps paralyze the tarantula with a sting, drag it back to their burrow, and lay an egg inside. The wasp larva will then feed on the still-living tarantula from the inside out, a gruesome end for such a mighty spider. To defend themselves, tarantulas rely on their size, powerful fangs, and of course, those irritating, urticating hairs. When threatened, they'll raise their front legs and show off their fangs to make themselves appear larger and more intimidating. Despite their fearsome reputation, tarantulas are generally not aggressive toward humans. In fact, they've become popular pets for arachnid enthusiasts. With the right care, they can live for many years. Females can live up to 30 years in captivity. But tarantulas are not cuddly pets. They can be fragile and require special attention to their habitat, diet, and humidity levels. It's important to remember that, like all wild animals, tarantulas deserve respect and should never be handled carelessly. Tarantulas are some of the most fascinating creatures in the spider world, silent, powerful, and perfectly adapted to their environments. Whether they're stalking prey or simply burrowing into the earth, They're a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of life on our planet. If you enjoyed learning about tarantulas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife content. And remember, there's always more to discover in the world of nature.